screen here, eh?
Yeah, yep.
We've got inspect and service brakes, steering and suspension.
Yep.
Identify. You've done heaps, so we could just go for gold.
Haven't really touched the car sort of side of things.
Okay. Well, these
In a while,
units, these units cross over to trucks anyway, kind of thing. They're good.
Yep.
I mean, these units that are actually in the truck qualification as well. So.
Right. Okay.
But I suppose they focus more on cars. Okay.
So what did you want to check?
Okay, so check for front end movement, tire ends and rack end. So check the tire ends and rack end on the wheel.
Yep.
Left and right, give it a shake.
Yep.
So can you feel any movement? I mean, the wheel will move left and right because you're pulling up. But you want to go like this. Okay, no feel, nothing there. Okay, now go the other side. That's cool.
Squeeze that all in, you'll feel that hard.
So minimum legal thickness is 0.8. But that's if you were doing a roadworthy. But if you're doing a service on a car, for example, it's going to be, if they get to like 3 mil, you'd be not mentioning something to the people. You know?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. He looks like he's got fairly new rotors on there. So let's mic those up, measure those up. There should be a minimum thickness somewhere on that rotor. Now, it might be on the front face. It won't be on the front. It might be on the top of the disc where the vents are. So keep those on you. Have a look at the pads, all good. Yep. Just do the same thing and just look at the shockies. Now, if that wasn't good, there's different ways of doing flushes, but I do, I suppose, the easy way, and it's clean. So he's done the inspection of the braking system, steering system, and suspension. He's done a brake fluid flush. Now he's done the battery testing as well. So now he's putting the wheels back on, and we're going to try and, I've done all the write-up of it. I've kept up with it while he's doing it, and he needs job cards, that's all. And then we can complete maybe 4 units. And then we'll move on to more skills and knowledge questions, All right, so let's do this. So let's go into inspect and service steering.
This job card I did for the Falcon, I've got on here, we did the battery report. We flushed the brake system, checked the pads, we checked steering and suspension, checked the pads and the bushes and stuff.
That's good. 2 basic types of tire ends.
Spring-loaded and preloaded.
Yep. Identify faults is good. Remove that. That's good. That's good. So you're left with skills and knowledge on 3 units. Now.
Yep. Sounds good.
Good stuff. Have fun.
All right, mate. Thanks for your help.
See you, man. No worries. Thanks, eh?